In this video, we will show you how to install windows and doors for a dormitory. After the installation of the panel, windows and doors need to be installed. The windows need to be cut out at the site, using a saw or a cutter. Make sure to measure and mark the window openings accurately before cutting. After cutting out the window frames need to be installed. Use screws and a drill to secure the frames to the panel wall, then you can install the window. As you can see, some windows has already been installed, and the house has not yet been capped. It is necessary to cut the top of the panel flat before it can be capped. Use a saw or a cutter to cut the top of the panel wall flat, following the roof line. This will make it easier to cap the house with a roof. Now you have learned how to install windows and doors for a dormitory. The next step is to cap the house with a roof. Thank you for watching.